Hey, what's up? What's up? It's Barbarisi from the Bronx and Weedy B. There's the Weedy B. I'm up on the stairs, so guys, I'm about to go up the stairs with the baby again. Yes, again. I went up that's why I'm sweating. Today, I think I went up at least 12 flights of stairs because I had to take a different route today, as you've seen. Actually, I took that same route the other day, but that's not my usual route. My usual route is there's a train station that's right next to my program. I usually take that and go straight through. But, yes, I take that same station, but it goes a different route. I got to go on the other side and go go downtown to go uptown. So, you know. But here I go, guys. Ready, Weedy B? We're going up, 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 up. Uh-oh, Weedy B dropped his shoe, guys. Hold on. Let me get your shoe, baby. I'm right here. Even though the shelter is hard to live in, when I'm outside, man, at least I can come here and feel safe. Not that I'm worried about anything happening to us, but, you know, the world can be a very cold place, guys. As you've seen in my last video, that man helped me and then gave me an attitude. And you know that I'm not gonna lie, that shit hurts, man. I let it roll off me because I don't know him from Adam, and it's not like he makes a difference in my life, you know. But it still makes me think, why? Why would somebody do that? Why would someone want to help you and then do something like that? You know, it's sad. But like I said, man, I pray for people like that. I really do. I pray for people that are miserable within themselves. All right, guys, we're up. See? Look. I'm not out of breath. Nothing. I love it. So guys, as I was saying, where's my key? Oh shit. Oh, come on. Oh, I got it. Yo, I am not good with keys, man. Weedy B! We're going inside, Bobo. All right, thank God. Come on, baby. We're here. I'm not gonna call it home, but the door's so narrow, guys, in comparison to the stroller. The stroller's really wide. Okay, shoes off. Hold on. Shoes off. I already took the baby's shoes off. I'm cool. Okay. Park the stroller. Take the baby's jacket off. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, my baby, my sweetheart. I love you, honey. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy, honey. Hold on, guys. We're just getting situated here. Let me just set the camera up here so you guys can see, you know, my routine and stuff. Come on, baby. I took my shoes off, right? And I take the socks off. I took the shoes off before because he was about to kick them off. So, and then after I do that, baby out of the stroller. Yay, my baby. And then, wait, see how happy he is now, guys? He just wanted to come home. Oh, my baby, right, guys? And he's sweet. Hold on, I gotta take your shirt off, honey. Hold on, guys. So I want you guys to see, you know, I did a bunch of videos today so you can see my journey, you know, my everyday journey. You know, I mean, I wish, hold on, Weedy B, I gotta take this off. Weedy B, let mommy take, Weedy B, you got 3 sweaters on, baby. You can't have all those sweaters on, honey. It's too much in the house. Good boy. Good job. And he got a friggin', see, guys? Oh, my God. All right, now let's change that diaper. I'm not going to do that in front of the camera. All right, stay right there, Weeby. No one needs to see. Yeah, you little whiny, okay? Hold on. I changed his diaper all. Oh, wait a minute. Look at that. Look, guys, the diaper wasn't even wet. Because I changed him while I was outside already. Come here. Come here, baby. I can't believe that, guys. But you know what? I'm still going to put a new one on him. Wait, what's the matter? You want mommy to hold you? All right. Oh, okay. I got you. I got you, baby. Let's slow the music a little bit so I don't have to yell. So, yeah, guys. That's basically, oh shit. Weedy B, don't cry, my baby. What happened, honey? What's the matter? Your mama love you, baby. You're my everything, honey. You're the sweetest thing I ever did see. You and your brothers and your sister and your mommy's special little angel. And I love you, baby. Your mommy loves you so much. That's my baby, guys. That's my heart right there. He's such a good boy, guys. My son is very sensitive. Like if he sees a cartoon that one of the animals might get scared of something, he feels its pain. He's like me. He's an empath, guys. He's an empath, my boy. He's my little thing. Look at that little boy, mommy. What's the matter? You don't want to go and watch a movie, honey? You don't want to go watch a movie? All right. Okay, honey, wait, my baby. Come here, boy. I gotta put your diaper back on, my baby. But, all right, guys. So, that was my daily journey, guys. Whew, what a day for a ball game, right? Oh, my baby's being shy. You being shy? You being shy? Look at that hair, right? Doesn't he have such beautiful hair? My baby. Oh, honey. What happened? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I think because he might be a little sleepy still, like I said in my other video, that he was sleeping. He was so peaceful, too. So peaceful, you know, for being in the stroller. And there he is. Let me move that hair. Out of the way. Look at that face, everybody. Isn't he so cute, that little boy? Way, my boy. That's mommy. That's mommy's thing. Oh, wait. He's mommy's little puppy dreams. He's mommy's baby. He's mommy's little monkey. A puppy. A mommy's little puppy dreams. This is my boy. And this is my dream. Oh, wait. He's mommy's little tiny thing. Oh, my baby. I love singing to him. He's looking at all the trinkets, guys. He loves them, right, honey? You want to play with them? right. Which one you want to play with? You want to see this one? Hey, yo. Look, guys, watch. Watch, let me put this here so you can see. Ready? Oh, honey, look. Hey, yo. Shh. Remember me? Wow. Whoa. See, I love playing with my baby. Look. Hey, yo. Remember me? I'm your friend. Yeah, wait. I let him play. I gotta put his diaper on before he pee-pees on his pants. Oh, guys, yeah. I let him play. Don't pee-pee yet, please. Okay, good boy. Good job. Yeah, I let him play with all my knickknacks, guys, because you know what? It's only material things, and as long as my baby's happy, right, baby? Come on, stand up so I can fix your diaper. Good boy. Yeah. My baby's such a sweet pea. What a sweet pea. Oh, honey. Oh, God, I gotta let my hair down, guys. I'm sweating. Okay, you know, sometimes it's a little hard. Not traveling with him Look at that! Look, he's doing a little ducky walk. Are you gonna go do-do? I just changed you. That's fine. You know how many times, guys? Come on, that happens to every parent. You change your baby, and then 2 seconds later, it'll take a dump or something, right? Oh, man, but I don't mind. You know, I wish I had my own little reality show. I wouldn't mind. I mean, not the camera's like 24 hours in my face, but I wouldn't mind, you know, doing this like at least a couple of hours a day, you know, just to show my journey. And why would I want to do that? Because of where I came from, and I feel that it would be helpful to other people who were in my situation, you know, right? Look. He's so happy now. Oh, I love seeing my baby happy. What you doing? Those are mommy's shoes? Those are my shoes? He wants to play with my shoes. I gotta put these away. But, yeah, I think it would be so rude. Hold on, I'm gonna give you another pair of shoes to play with, baby. Not those, because they're dirty. What I do is, guys, is that I usually put my shoes in the tub. What happened? Oh, I thought I heard him cry. I'm right here. Yeah, you want to look at my shoes? Look at these, guys. Look at these shoes. Aren't these awesome? Oh, he's going to go, wait, he's going to go check out the movie. Yay. What I love to see. I love to see a smile on my son's face, man. That's basically, that is what me, like, if he's not smiling, I feel so bad. I'm like, I gotta do something to make him happy. I just want my son to be happy more than anything else in this world. More than anything else. His happiness is what matters to me more than anything else, guys. Seriously. Look, he's playing with his toys. Oh my God, my baby. He loves his little toys. He loves his toys, my baby. He's a doll, right? Isn't he? My son is so handsome. He just is so handsome. So, guys, I freaking put these nails on today. Are you kidding me? They're already freaking broke. Yo, that is so funny. I need to wash my hair. But anyway, guys, thank you for listening to me, and Weedy B. Thank you for listening to us. Oh my God, yay! Yay! Oh my God, yay, my baby! Oh, I'm so tired. So you can see it. I look really exhausted today. um, like I said, we're just surviving. We're just surviving, guys. Everyone, we are just surviving, guys. We're trying to survive this life on some real shit. So I want everyone to know that is in recovery, okay? Wait, mommy's coming right back. I gotta get some water because I am parched. Yo, I shouldn't be thirsty. I just drank a whole friggin' thing of water. But, as I was saying, you know, when you're in recovery, it's not even for me. Like, okay, so I got in the program and I used maybe, this was 8 years ago. I used maybe the first month a couple of times of heroin. But the cocaine, guys, had this, you see that big scar? You see that? That was an abscess. I had a huge, okay. So, see, I go on tangents and I forget what I was saying. I'm trying to get myself, because I look tired and run down, guys. It happens to me too. You know, I'm not a friggin' robot. Sometimes I look really, really old and tired and run down, and today is one of those days. Not so much when I woke up, but, you know, as the day goes by, I could see it. You know, I could see it. But that's normal, you know, especially if it's like a blah day and you running around and you just trying to take care of business and stuff. It's hard, you know. It's not easy, guys. It's not. So what I'm saying to you is this: when you're in recovery like we are, and you're refraining from drugs, it's not easy. Like I said, I was blessed in the fact that when I first initially got in the methadone program, I only used maybe, like I said, 4 times the most the first month. The first one, I did not use after that. I did not. And it was amazing because the methadone, because I got on an extremely high dose. I'm on 170 now. I was up to 200, and then when I got pregnant with the baby, they pushed me up to 210 milligrams. Yes, 210 milligrams, guys. Why they put me to 210 milligrams? Because they said I could potentially lose my son, which doesn't make any sense to me. How am I going to lose my baby? You know, and I was 30 milligrams off at that point. Tito was like, listen, you don't want to end up, you know, like with canes and stuff. And I'm like looking at, you know, and I feel bad, and I'm not judging nobody, but you know, you see a lot of people that are breaking down, unfortunately, from the methadone. You know, not that there's anything wrong with using this cane, you know, and being disabled. I'm technically disabled, so how can I ever judge anybody? No, it's not about that. I'm just saying, like, you see that it deteriorates people being on the program, and you don't want that, you know. You want to take care of yourself. So I was starting to wean off. I was 30 milligrams down, and then I got pregnant, and they were like, you can't come down no more. You have to actually go up, because the baby that's inside of you, which is Weedy B, is going to eat up the dose. And I'm saying to myself, wait, what? I didn't want to be on methadone with my baby. Thank God he did not get any side effects. He did not, nothing. He didn't go through withdrawals, nothing. And it's a miracle. Because usually kids, after they're born from methadone, you know, it's like being on, it's a drug. Just legal. And the kids suffer, but he did not. Thank you, God. Thank you. My baby didn't suffer. I'm so grateful, guys, that he didn't. But I'm going to let you guys go now. Thank you for listening to me. Bob Marisi from the Bronx signing out. Ciao.